So, you are thinking of investing in real estate. Well, what are you waiting for? If you're unsure, stay tuned, as I will share with you the 3 reasons why investing in real estate is the best. Hi, I'm Tyler Soulliere, 2015 Crew Magazine Investor of the Year Award winner and founder of TySoull Educator, a company that helps others learn about investing in real estate. Today, I'm here to talk to you about why investing in real estate is the best. Now, most whom are investing or thinking of investing in real estate usually only think of in terms of dollars and cents. Hence why achieving amazing returns on your money is obviously the number one reason why investing in real estate is the best. You can achieve returns anywhere from 5% to infinity. Infinity, you ask? In short, that's when you buy a property, you renovate it, refinance it, get all the money you invested into that property back, and you still own the property, and it is making you money, even though you now have no money invested in it, hence the infinity return. However, investing in real estate is not always about just the money, your returns. There are many other factors that people might not realize that are amazing, such as the number 2 reason investing in real estate is the best. You instantly become the boss. Yes, if you've ever wanted to own your own company, by owning real estate, you have just started your very first business. Because investing in real estate is not a hobby. It is in fact a business. You are in charge of a money-making asset, the property, the real estate, and if it doesn't perform, your hard-earned savings and work you put into that property mean less return for you. And the third and last reason investing in real estate is the best, you can literally invest from the comfort of your home. Well, with the right team in place, of course. As a realtor, I've worked with many of out-of-town investors whom counted on me to go and view the properties for them, take pictures, do videos. Then I would bring in my home inspector. I'd bring in a contractor to access, look at any issues and approximate costs to rectify them. I put him in touch with a lawyer, and then I put him in touch with a property management company to manage the property if it was going to be a rental. And pretty much the whole time, sometimes they never even seen the property, just pictures, and they did it all from their office or their house, or like I said, from the comfort of their home. Now, there are many other ways real estate investing is the best, and I will continue sharing them and more in future videos. Before I go, hit the like button on this video if you like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future content. And don't forget to live your life every day.